It's not too bad. Just seal it down. You know, once you get everything over it, it's still got the aesthetic look of shingles. Shingles just a different color, right? It's pretty nice, doesn't it? Dries fast, see it? Tipping?
No, drying on it.
No, drying fast. Pretty cool. I guess I'll go back to the shade.
Yeah, we'll enjoy the shade.
Yeah, there's no left. I'm done. It's all hot roof. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah. Looks pretty good too.
It does. You know, the primer glue them down really good and tight. Excuse me. Primer glues them down really good and tight, and that roof top coating looks all right. Fun. Quite a bit of difference before and after. Okay, this is a coatings job. Rolled primer on earlier this morning, let it dry. Then we just rolled on a top coat of this color. Glue the shingles down to themselves so they don't blow away. Coat them. Really nice color. Drying fast, both sides. Come out pretty cool. Not a bad job. And a fun, easy job. Didn't take long. Probably got 6 hours in it. Here's the original side. This side still needs to be done.